Hey everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed, and I just wanted to pop on live and show y'all my entryway live. I showed it to y'all last night on the blog. Had a lot of positive feedback and a few negative, which is to be expected. So I just thought I would pop in. I'm walking. Okay, so I know it's like, whoa, it's like super bright. I'm walking through my front porch into the entryway. I want y'all to see it as I'm coming through my front door. So let me spin this bad boy around real quick. And there's Miss Posey. Okay, so as you're walking into my house, I'm standing right here at the door. When you look to the left, you see our picture wall. Got a little small thing over there. It's not decorated yet. And it goes up my stairs, but this is the little entryway. It's nothing, you know, over the top. It's a very small area as far as this area goes with the wallpaper. There's 18-foot ceilings, so it's not a small area in general, but it is just not a very big area with the wallpaper. But y'all, listen, I love it. You know, you may not, and that is so fine, but I love it, y'all. This is so pretty. I'm not going to show y'all too close because y'all probably find some of my imperfections, and there's a bunch, but seriously, I love it. And my little Riley family sign that I found on Etsy, we can definitely provide that link as well. Hannah's got it linked at the bottom to my entryway wallpaper blog in case you wanted to actually read the blog. But that's it. Now I'm backing over here. Now I'm backing over here into my dining room. So I want to show y'all kind of how it lays out because sometimes pictures are hard to tell. So let me spin it around so you can kind of see when you come in my entryway. To the left is my staircase, to the right is my dining room. So I'll show y'all. Okay, so Posey, come here. She's outside. Okay, so to the left when you come through the door is my my stairs. And then my little entryway, and y'all can't tell me, like, this just pops. That just pops. I love it. It just makes it stand out. And then when you go to the right, this is my dining room. Let me turn the light on. It's not really done right now for the seasons, but it's okay. I just got that hung today, so obviously I'll put something really pretty up there and right here. But I love that shelf. So pretty. But anyway, so then as you can see through there, hi, it just links to the living room. So it's just really, to the entryway. There's stuff laying on the table. I didn't, but that's how it's laid out. So I had people asking me, across this wall, did I wallpaper it? No, because it's the dining room. So there's not a wall there. We left that open so it would be really open. Somebody just asked me if I painted the flower picture. I did not. That is my friend Mandy Cochran with Mandy Made Designs. She did an absolutely fabulous job on that, y'all. Let me get closer so you can see. Is that not the most beautiful thing? I love the colors. I love the abstractness of it. Absolutely love it. Yes. Okay, so there's not much to show there. That's the entryway. It's pretty small, but I just think it added so much when I put that wallpaper there, y'all. It now pops. It's not just that standard gray. I love the color gray, obviously, but it just makes it feel so much better. This little, just to tell y'all a little bit, that's just something I've got to hang that I hadn't done yet, and a wreath that I got to put up. Just, got stuff laying around. But my little table, it was longer. If you're thinking, it looked like her table was longer. That's because I had the extender in it. And I took that out because I just wanted to make it feel bigger in here. And most of the time we don't need that, especially after the holidays. So I took that out to just make it, 6 instead of 8. And this right here can be used year round, but this is Pioneer Woman and it is from Walmart. So, that was pretty cute. I liked that. I didn't decorate for Valentine's Day in here. Well, I did put this one little pillow and gnome, but that's all. They're cute though. But I thought that the tablecloth really tied in to the living room. So I thought just bringing in the check, so see the check on the tree right there? I thought bringing that in and see that pillow under there? I thought bringing those in with this made it all kind of come together. So, leaf. Yes, I couldn't think of the word leaf, Brenda. I was going blank on leaf. Oh, my goodness. Teresa said, where did I find my stair railing? Actually, we had to have that custom done. I knew, let me turn it around so y'all can see again. I'm kind of just going back and forth. I'm so sorry. Okay, she's asking about the railing. See how it's got the curve? I love that. I absolutely love it. But I couldn't find any like that when I was looking everywhere for my railing. So we just had it custom made. I absolutely love it. I can find the information, but it was a local guy. So there's not much that you could probably do with the information. But what you could do is send a picture. You can take a screenshot of this right here, and then somebody in your local area that does this type of work could probably do it. Posey is outside. Okay, there she is. I'm trying to... Posey, come here. Okay, sorry. I didn't want her to get... I don't know, whatever could happen to her out there. So anyway, I just thought it would help if I popped on here and showed y'all the whole picture. Because in a blog post, you see this one snapshot. It's a snapshot of this single area. But I think to come walking through the front door and to just see it from that view really, really helps, because you can see the whole house as like the whole room, the whole area. So I wanted to show y'all that. I get a lot of people that ask me for that because they want to see it as a whole. And I thought today would be a great day to do that. My house is actually clean right this second, so that's another reason. And I thought you might enjoy it. So that's all I got. I just wanted to show y'all this. I'll show you one more look at it. Those doors right there go down into our basement, just in case you were wondering. I'm going to step back so you can see it kind of as a whole. I'm standing here in the dining room right now looking out. So I'll stand over here by this buffet, which, how pretty is that? I did not paint that. I bought it from a friend, but so pretty. So I'm standing here in the dining room. Just hung that today. This has been blank. I'll be hanging something right here, and I don't know what I'll be doing, but it'll be pretty, hopefully. That's my living room. That's nothing right now. I've just got stuff sitting there, so ignore that. But looking in there, it's an archway, and it just looks straight in. So it's like just looking into that, it's, to me, just like bam, it just looks so good to me. I'm so proud of how it looks. So super excited about that. I'll tell y'all a little bit about this. And this is like, I don't know, this is on there stained from some flowers a long time ago. So that's that. But this bowl right here, I bought it on Facebook the other day from a girl. Seriously. Bought it on Facebook for like $4. And I didn't know what I was going to do with it. I just thought it was so pretty. And so I set this in there, and I like how it added like extra height. Thought it was so pretty. And then I got these flowers. They're like those kind of paper filling flowers from Hobby Lobby. I mean, not Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx. So I love that. And like I said, that's from Mandy Cochran with Mandy Made Designs. This is from Decor Steals. This is from years and years ago somewhere. Don't even know where, but that's where that's from. The shelf is from Decor Steals that y'all are asking about. That shelf right there, that's Decor Steals. So, and then just another sneak. See that L? It ain't gonna hang right no matter what we do, so we're just gonna leave it like that and just pretend that it's hanging right, because that's just the way it is. So anyway, I'm still working on this area over here. It's definitely just kind of the way it is. That R, you know, nothing. Some of this is still in the works. You know, that's why sometimes you only see parts. But I do have that hung up. I love that. I think it's got a wintry and kind of Valentine look. So, Linda said, how do you keep everything so clean and in place with kids? Linda, I don't. It happens to be right now because they're in school and we've been working on the house. But you should see it most days. There's nothing but junk everywhere all over the house. And I'm constantly picking up, constantly telling them to pick up. Listen, I'm showing y'all something right now and it's in good shape right this second. But as soon as they get home in a few minutes, it's about to be wild again. That's life. That's life with kids. It's no different for me. Trust me. Don't be fooled. Trust me. Betty said, where is the love word above your fireplace from? I made that, Betty. I'll be glad to link the blog post for that. I made it. I'm pretty excited. I do like that. So that's all I got for y'all. I'm hoping to do a live craft. I don't know if I'm going to get to it today. I'm going to try to, though. Maybe right after I get off here, I may go in there and do it. I've got a project plan that I think is just going to be fast and fun. So if y'all want to come watch that, I would love for you to just get off here. And then I think we're going to go ahead and see what's going on in there. Hey, somebody said, let's talk about that Christmas tree. Listen, this Christmas tree is not a Christmas tree. This Christmas tree is my Valentine tree, okay? It started out as a Christmas tree, but no more. Hold on. That's the Valentine's tree. Y'all may have seen me do that love sign live. I think it looks so cute up there. But I just took my Christmas tree and turned it into the Valentine's tree. And it has been so fun to leave up. I'll show y'all my built-ins. They're nothing over the top, just a few little things. Y'all probably remember me making that sign too. That is very crooked. I just noticed that. That has got to be straightened up there. But just, you know, it's just how it is. So I think the Valentine's tree is really fun. Y'all probably remember that. I made that from Alive. These are simply Dollar Tree. Didn't do anything to them. This is also a DIY. How cute is that? That's on the blog as well. And then, let's see. Let's get cozy. I need to check on Posy again. This area down here is not done. I've just got random stuff there because I haven't decided. You may remember this piece from a lot of pictures in my house. I had to move it there because I got rid of that piece. Got a pillow up here. I don't know if y'all ever put pillows in y'all's built-ins, but you know, I need a picture in that. It's beautiful that it says Ray Dunn, but you know. Anyway, so that's just a little bit. I'm just kind of showing y'all a little bit of stuff that you don't normally see. Hoverboards, as you can see. I mean, it's total kids live here. I mean, it's a lived-in house. That's for sure. I love this. This is from Kirkland's a couple years ago. So, anyway, here's just, I didn't plan on giving this tour. I was just going to show the entryway, but that's our hallway that goes down there. That's not really done, and that's a DIY on the wall that I'm working on, so it's not done. But anyway, that is that. Somebody asked to see the middle of my dining room table. It's nothing special. I just took this wreath that I used to have hanging where that one is and just put it in here. Put the little vase in, stuck some of these little things. I don't even know what you would call them. And then literally just stuck some candlesticks and some, spindles. That's all I did. But I thought it looked really cute, really different. Kenya wants to see or Kinja. I don't know how you say that. I'm so sorry. Let's see the winter wreath. I didn't make this, but here it is. Got it at Kirkland's one day. The dining room wall is Black Fox by Sherwin-Williams. And then this lamp came from Ross, Dress for Less. And then just, you know, y'all ask how I stage spindles. Here's one idea. I just stick them together. There's not really that much to tell. I mean, I just love old spindles. I get them every time I find them. I just love it. So this is one of my most recent finds from at-home stores. Absolutely love that. And of course, these are the same type of flowers that are in the Entryway that I got at TJ Maxx. So, thank you. Somebody said, love how you hung the wreath. Thank you. So that's obviously just needs to be put up when I got time. But one last look at the Entryway, which is what this started with. Just a little old section. Some people told me they thought it totally did not go well with our brick floors, and I just beg to differ. I think it looks great with the brick floors. So I'm not offended, but I definitely don't agree. And I'm going to do a close-up of the floors. So this is brick, y'all. Like, this is brick. This is not, a lot of people were asking if this was wallpaper. No, this is not wallpaper. This is brick with grout, okay? So I will, you know, I've shared a lot of links to it, but it is my absolute favorite part of my house is the brick floor. We also have it in the kitchen and in the laundry room. So it is absolutely my very, very, very favorite. So that's all I got for y'all. Hopefully I can do a craft in just a minute and y'all join me for that. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.